Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome.
So we have another installment of Whiskey Wednesdays for you today. And it's been a hot one out here in Texas.
Yes, and you might have noticed we took a little extra break because nobody wants to film. It gets hot in the house. We have to turn off fans to do this, you know, so.
Yeah, the things we do for you. So, hey, what do we got going on today?
We're gonna make a boozy peach milkshake.
All right, stick around and we'll show it to you.
To a pan, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar. You're going to stir that up and get it all melty and gooey, just like this. And then you're going to take your halved and pitted peaches and put them face down in the gooey butter mixture you got here. And you will just simmer them until they are tender. Okay, now we've got our trusty rusty Whataburger cup. And we're going to take the vanilla ice cream I have to my side here, and we're going to scoop out about 1.5 cups or so of it. You can add more or less depending on how thick you want it and whatnot. We're just gonna ploop that right in the cup. And then we're gonna take our bourbon of choice, which is Knob Creek Blender's Edition. It's a nice sweet bourbon. We think the flavors of this will play really well with that of a nice milkshake. So we're going to do about 3 ounces of the bourbon. The recipe calls for 2 for a smaller one, so I just bumped it up by 1 ounce. And then we're going to take our peaches, nice and lovely and yummy here. We're going to put 2 of them into the big cup here, along with a little bit of that sauce, as you can see there. And then we're just going to blend it up.
Okay, as you just saw, that was the making of the milkshake. It didn't turn out exactly as planned. It is very melty, like completely melty. It's too hot, and that blender just blended it into just a drink, which I'm okay with, you know. It'll still taste good. So I think if we put it in the freezer for a couple of hours, it might be the right consistency, but I don't got time for that. I just want to drink it. It's cold and it's
hot.
Yeah, that. So without further ado, here we go. All right, as you saw before, I blended it in the lovely Whataburger cup because it's big enough for all this. So got my cup here. We're just gonna pour it right in. Now it is thick because it is ice cream. It did thicken up some.
Yeah.
There we go. And if you want to hand me the cherries, we're going to put a cherry or 2 in there. A couple cherries on top, because why the heck not? Oh, they're going to sink because they're heavy. Put that in there. All right, just to make it, you know, fancy and stuff.
And we did use the Knob Creek Blender's Edition for this because it is on the sweeter side. So we just wanted to put something a little bit, a sweeter bourbon into this.
Yeah, and this stuff is excellent stuff. If you've had this, oh my gosh, it is so good. So
and it does come in at 106 proof. So
this is a strong boozy milkshake.
Yeah.
So you want the first taste?
No, you made it. Go ahead.
All right. It smells good and it smells bourbony, so exactly what I want. Okay, that'll get somebody in trouble. I mean, you can taste the booze, but not like the heat of it. That sweetness of the bourbon is there, but none of the bite.
Oh wow! Yeah, I can suck this down.
Yeah, that's really good. So did my milkshake bring this board to the yard?
Yes, your milkshake brought me to the yard.
Now, I did put the recipe as I was making everything on the screen, but it will also be down below in the description or in the comments. I haven't decided where I'm going to put it exactly, but it will be available so you can just look it up and make it yourself.
Yeah, so if you're looking for something, chill it'll up. So if you're looking for... I got the
you have some booze.
That's the stuff. Mm-hmm. So yeah, if you want something a little bit more refreshment, What
If you want some more refreshment.
if you want something refreshing on a hot day and a little bit of booze, you know.
Yeah, to
can't
cool
go
down the
wrong with
heat of the
that.
booze, but not the sweet. So that definitely does it, and I am on board. So.
Yeah. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today for this Whiskey Wednesday, and I think we're gonna get out of here and we're gonna drink this. And
Yeah, and if you make this, drink responsibly, because you may not know how much you're consuming when you're drinking these. This is a little
after the first sip or two, you don't taste anything, so it's very dangerous.
so good.
All right, guys, until next time. Bye.